Previously on Werner's Adventures, I took you to an abandoned and dilapidated ruin situated in a small mid-north town of Mount Bryan. In today's adventure, we explore an old school and church just a short drive down a lonely dirt road from the ruin we explored on our last episode. Built in 1885, the school of Mount Bryan East sits adjacent to an old abandoned church. In this video, I explore the old school and church and also discover the old building can be used as a campground. The Mount Bryan School closed its doors in 1916, then reopened in 1925 but closed permanently in 1947. A Sir Hubert Wilkins was born and raised at Mount Bryan East and attended the local school. His family home survives, having been restored from ruins by Dick Smith in 2001, and is open to the wavering visitor. Next to the old schoolhouse sits the old ruins of the Methodist Church, which opened its doors in 1913. Hubert Wilkins also attended the Methodist Church adjacent to the old school. The now historic former schoolhouse is serving as a popular resting spot and accommodation for hikers on the Hyson Trail. The schoolhouse was restored into a rustic, unpowered shelter in 1995 after closing as a school in 1947. Join me now as we explore the schoolhouse and adjacent Methodist church.
Welcome everyone, welcome to another episode of Werner's Adventures. Here we are. Now this is an old school. It's the Mount Bryan East school. Not sure when it was built, but there might be something now. As far as I know, you can actually go in this and camp in here. So we'll see if it's open. Yeah, I think it is. All right. There's something that might tell us a little bit. All right, well, let's see if it is actually open. Yes. Wow. Oh, it is so cool in here. I gather that's where you can sleep. This would be good in the winter time. That's all the people that have been here. That's cool. Yeah. It's heaps cool. Okay, well, I tell you what, there must be a lot of people that come here. I mean, look at all that space up there. You could probably fit a few people up there. Just bring your own mattress, I guess. Yeah, all right. Now I wonder if this section is open. I wonder if anyone's ever done a actual ghost. Oh, okay. We have a kitchen here. Yeah. Someone's left food here. A beer, if anyone wants a beer. Be good in the winter time. I wonder if it has running water. Oh, I need a drink. Yes. Yes. That water. Yep. Water is not suitable for drinking without treatment. Ah, damn. Okay. We have another section in here. Well, I know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be coming here and camping when it gets cooler, of course. Out there you've got an old church. See out that window there? And here is another room. There. Animals can be almost human. There's plenty of room for a few people. Okay. All right, well, we'll go outside. There is a lot of ruins out here as well. So if you're into old ruins, this would be a good place to come. I mean, I'm going to come back. I might camp here. Okay, well, we'll close this door. Right, so what have we got in here? Well, I thought there might have been a toilet in here, but there isn't. But it might have been an old toilet. I wonder if we can actually get into that church. Let's see. Alright, we'll go and see if we can get into the church. If you look through there, through those trees, I'll zoom in on it. There is an old farmhouse right through there. Okay. Right. Now let's see if this church is open. Don't think it's going to be, but you never know. We won't be able to get into that door. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to get into this church. Maybe. What the hell? It's a pigeon. It's all good. Oh, you can get into this church. Whoa, how cool's that? Wow, this is cool. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Don't have much light, but look at that light just bleeding through. Wow. This is beautiful. Keep looking. Another place where you can have another fire. All right. This is just out in the middle of nowhere. Okay, well there is toilets here. I don't know about using those. That's just a drop. But I'd say these would be the modern toilets. Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay, so there we go. So you can camp here. That's all open, and there is the old church. Yes. All right, without further ado, I'm going to call this video quits. I hope you enjoyed it, because I'm absolutely buggered. See you in the next one. Cheers.